Right, July 18th, 2025. I just did a video of all this, not a long, 6 minutes, 36 seconds. I'm going to try to do this shorter. Everything is evolving extemporaneously, spontaneously. The magic of art making, as the late great English art historian Sir Herbert Reed wrote in one of his art history books, which I read in 1974-75, and he'd passed on in 1968. I never even heard of him then. Okay, we've got a allegorical sea monster in progress here. We have 3 sketches I did between May and June 1967. Whoosh! This one I put in upside down. I found them in this old sketchbook. I'll quickly show some of these. Angry woman. That's what it looks like to me. A still life, dated May 25th, 67, like plants in a container of some sort. A building which makes me think of, this makes me think of the Colosseum in Roma. And this also makes me think of Italy. And it looks like some sort of figurine or figure sculptures on top, holding what to me looks like it's almost like a sword with a bayonet, lightning, something like that. Okay, let's go through these quickly. Kenny, May 26, 67, jacket draped over chair or a horse. Interesting drawing. Makes me think of an artist. I have to look up her name. She's long gone. She used to do sculptures about horses. I think it's May 1st, 67. Tree, leaves. Looks like some sort of flying insect here. Let's go through this quickly. This is curious to me because it almost has a crucifixion look to it. I can't make out what these are, but that's okay. We have a innovation umbrella. I don't remember what that was about. And the window, lamp, table, chair, couch there in the living room in the house where I grew up in Floral Park, Queens, New York. This is dated May 25th, 67. I definitely recognize this. I have photographs over many years of people sitting there. The piano was nearby too. May 21st, 67, looks like Manhattan. Perhaps the East River. Quick view of this. It's a fairly rough pencil sketch dated April 21st, 67. Might be Herald Square. It says Gimbals here. All right. I think that's enough for now. There may be a few more, but we won't worry about them. Okay, to be continued. Coming along here.